Oh, yeah, I can't do you. Sorry, that's not me. You look so cool. Yeah. All right, so it is the same day. It is still March 4th, and it is 11:55. And guess who came out here to hang out? The hottie, my wife. I'm super stoked about it. Like, but we're out on paddleboards right now, and we're actually rethinking it because the water is super choppy. It's super windy. But I have the same baits with me. I'm just gonna throw around. She wanted to make sure her board was still good. This is a new board for me, brand new. So, but you know, it's pretty nice, I guess. Whew, it's scary. It's definitely scary, but it's for the summertime. What's up?
Brought food.
You brought food? See, look, that's why my wife just needs to come with me all the time. She always brings snacks. I'm so excited. This is so cool. Super stoked about it. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys my whole little setup that I have going on right now. So, oh, hi, there you are. Yes, I have you guys up there as well. But if you come down here, I have this, you know, little crate with one rod holder. I'm gonna throw around this little Minimax chatterbait with a flamethrower spunk shad on it. Not spunk shad, yeah, spunk shad, with no skirt, because you'll be surprised, I guess. But I'm gonna see if it works, you know. We'll find out. We're just putting along, you know, and I was like, hey, let me bring everybody with us. So it's hot already? Yeah. Oh, okay. So while we're here, just putting along, I'm going to fish. Man, it changed from this morning. That's really cool. Like, the water's still dirty. Water is still dirty. The temperatures is significantly warmer than it was this morning. What's the temp now? What is it? It's 57 degrees. You know, this morning it was 41. You know? So let's see if we can get a first fish on the new paddleboard setup. You got some energies? Ooh, babe, you got some grindage. Sweet, healthy energy. Thank you. Yes, cool. I don't know if you guys have had these, but these are amazing, by the way. You know, not sponsored or anything, just wanted to let you guys know they're freaking delicious, and they give you nice energy. 0 grams of sugar, so no crash. That was super cool. Already munching. Already munching. Is that beef jerky? Yeah. Dang, you brought the good snacks. Here we go. Here we go. That's one. That's one. Yes. Nice. 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 It's not big. Dude, that barb, man. These barbs get them every time. Not big, but a fish. Fish. I can't. Fish right there. Thanks for biting, dude. Cool. Cool. First fish on the paddleboard. Throw over here. You got, oh my god, dude, oh my god. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yes. No, my Cali clip. No. That's okay. Dude. Little one. Nice, nice little one. Okay, thanks for biting.